Take your creativity to new heights with Xiaomi S156 Drone 2025. Looking for a professional drone that captures stunning cinematic shots? The Xiaomi S156 Drone Professional with 8K camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV is the ultimate choice for aerial photography lovers. Key features: 8K Ultra HD camera, capture breathtaking details like never before. 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, smooth, real-time image streaming without delays. Built-in screen remote control, easy to navigate, precise control at your fingertips. Intelligent obstacle avoidance, fly safely and focus on your creativity. Powerful performance, modern design, stable, long range, and perfect for every adventure. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or tech enthusiast, this drone will elevate your aerial shots to a professional level. Special price, only US $99.59. Order now, product link in the description. Own the Xiaomi S156, master the sky, create without limits. Xiaomi S156 Drone Professional 8K camera with 5G Wi-Fi FPV UAV screen remote control and obstacle avoidance quadcopter 2025 new. Product model, S156 upgraded to 4.5-inch large screen control. Product functions, brushless motor, electroregulator camera, optical flow positioning, anti-collision function. Product size, length 22.5 cm, width 19 cm and height 5 cm. Product color dark gray and orange. Receive frequency 2.4G remote control Wi-Fi signal, receive channel 4 channel 6-axis gyroscope. Product material plastic metal electronic components operation method remote control, mobile app battery capacity 3.7 volt 1800 mAh. Charging method USB charging cable. Charging time, 60 minutes. Use time 48 minutes. Remote control distance 20,000 meters. Remote control battery 3.7V 500 mAh, charging. With brushless motor / optical flow, ESC camera, IR obstacle avoidance. Height hold mode 1 key takeoff / landing, rise and fall, forward and backward, left and right side flight, steering, headless mode, camera features, gesture photography, video, headless mode, emergency stop, trajectory flight, gravity sensing, music, 50x zoom, automatic photography. Brushless motor drone comes with optical flow positioning function, dual cameras with electric angle adjustment mode and 4-sided obstacle avoidance function. Connect to Wi-Fi system functions, taking photos, recording and real-time transmission, emergency stop, trajectory flight, one-click surround, intelligent follow, add music, and rotate the screen. Built-in high-definition dual camera, the front lens can be adjusted 90 degrees through the remote control to make the view more comprehensive. Free switching of speed gears, adjustable headless mode function of aircraft. Fitting with LED night navigation lights. The arm can be folded and the air blades are folded, making it smaller and easy to carry when going out. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.